In this video, we are going to see how to fix headset microphone not working in Windows 11. First step, open Run and type the following text services.msc. Type it and click OK. Scroll down and search for Windows Audio. Click it. Right click, click Properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Make sure it. Click Apply and OK. One more time, right click and click Restart. Close it, then move on with next step. Allow microphone access. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security Settings. Scroll down. Click Microphone Settings and make sure the microphone access it should be in enable mode, and let app access your microphone. It should be in enable mode. Scroll down. Let desktop app access your microphone. It should be in enable mode. These three settings should be in enable mode. Close it, then move on with next step. Select your headset microphone. Click Settings. Click System Settings. Click Sound Settings. Under Input, choose a device for speakers or recording. Select your headset microphone. Select it. If only one having means you need to select the microphone. If you are using 3 to 4 microphone settings or there means you need to select the microphone you are using right now. Then move on with next step. Go to sound settings. Click volume mixer. Under app you have seen the system sound. If you are using any application also it will shows here. Right now I'm using system sound, so if you are using any application it will shows. You can check the application is muted or not. If it's muted means you need to unmute it. Check the system sound, and if you are using application has sound enabled, okay. If it's disabled means you need to enable it. If still it's not coming means you need to reset sound device. You click reset and reset the sound device. So this is how to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. Thank you.